Yeah, it's for degreasing. Everywhere.
Even the blue part.
And especially on the side stand where the dirty oil comes through.
Like here?
Yeah. The other side.
Oh, okay. On the center one.
Yeah. And on the engine. Yeah.
What's up, people? We're doing the bike cleaning today. And what I've just done is spray the degreasing solution and then we'll do the water wash. So having the bikes in Panama because of the salty water, Panama is a country that is between two oceans. We've collected a bit of corrosion on the bikes in many parts, and this one especially in the forks is what I'm cleaning now. I'll put a picture of how they work, and we are using this, which works magic, and just a normal Scotch Brite, and it's all out. And then after that, we use the WD-40 to just spray it all over the bikes, regardless of whether it's metal area or plastic area, to make sure that we reduce the corrosion as much as possible. We're still going to stay in the oceanic countries, if I may call them that way, so we're still under the risk of the corrosion.
So this is the old key, but you never know, you can program them on whatever. So that's it's absolutely, it's maybe no all years.